Hey there, spice lovers. Ever wondered where that burst of flavor in your Monayiti spices comes from? Today, I'm diving into the rich aromatic origins of your favorite spice brand. So, let's journey back in time to the heart of the Caribbean, where Monayiti's story began. Picture lush landscapes, vibrant markets, and the rhythmic hum of life. It was here, in this paradise of flavors, that the founders of Monayiti found their inspiration. The name Monayiti, my Haiti itself, is a nod to the region's indigenous heritage, blending the words mountains and Haiti, the original Taino name for Haiti. These mountains are not just scenic, they're the birthplace of the rich cultural heritage of several cultures. The founders, driven by a passion for authentic flavors, spent years developing and capturing the essence of what makes an excellent spice blend. They connected with old and new generation, people from different parts of Haiti. It's this dedication to tradition and quality that ensures every pinch of Monayiti spices bursts with genuine Caribbean essence. Imagine this. The process of making the spice blend that usually takes hours can now be at your fingertip, right there in your spice cabinet. This is the world of Monayiti. Each herb and spice is carefully selected to provide an authentic flavor, ensuring that you get the strongest, most aromatic experience possible. But it's not just about the spices and herbs. Monayiti is committed to supporting the Haitian community. This means you're not just adding flavor to your dishes, you're contributing to a larger story of community. So, next time you sprinkle Monayiti spices into your favorite recipe, remember you're not just cooking. You're embracing a tradition, a culture, and a legacy of flavors that have traveled from the Caribbean mountains to your kitchen. From the vibrant heart of the Caribbean to the heart of your home, Monayiti spices bring a world of flavor in every pinch. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey. Until next time, keep those taste buds dancing.